Hey everybody, my name is Joseph and today I'm going to talk about the Sunpak Led 330 kit light that I bought on Best Buy. Show you what the light can do as a result for YouTuber or if you're doing videography. It's a bicolor light, so it's mean like different colors and everything. So I'm gonna unbox it and so you guys can see together what this light is about. Once you first open the box, what you find this thing. Okay, so this thing right here, it's the light. In the back, you have two buttons. This button right here, if you want brightness, you turn it up or you turn it down, so it gives you more light. And this one right here, if you want to change the Kelvin color for the video to look a lot yellowish, you can play with that. The picture temperature, the next button here. So I'm gonna real quick show you guys what this thing can do. So as you can see, this place here, you can put the battery here and there. If you open this, you open that, now you guys can see the light. Okay, so I put it aside, and also in the box you have this screen, electronic screen protector, but it's not really a screen protector, that you can put in front of this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put this thing. If you're trying to put it like this, that will give you a hard time to put it. So the best way to put this thing on the light, you look aside there. There's a slot here, and then you slide it, and there you go. Make sense? Okay. As you can see here, you can mount it. You can mount it on your camera if you want to put the light on the top of your camera, or you can use a tripod like this one and you mount it on the tripod. So let's mount it on the tripod. Yeah, so now it's on the tripod. You can use it on the tripod, or you can move it and you can put it up. You can put it up and down using the tripod. Okay guys, and in the box, what we have in the box, we have the charger, and then you have the battery. Let's go for the charger. And open up. This is the charger. In the yellow box, this is the battery. That makes sense. Slide it, and then you turn this like that, and you plug. Just to remove your battery, you just put it down. There's no button. So just put it down and you remove the battery. So now that's the battery. Now you're gonna put the battery on your light to see what you can do, what you will have as a result. So you make sure that those two things go that way. So you gotta press it so it go all the way down, make it flat. So now in this button here, you turn it up, and then you have more light. You have more light, you have less light. If you want it to be on the ceiling, so you can put the light on the ceiling and you use it as a bouncing light. So guys, that's the use of the light when you're shooting with a low ISO of 200 and a big aperture of 5. the result that light can give you. So if you use it with another light, because I'm using it with another light, and I'm using it as a master light, and I'm using it with another light, a slave light. So to cast out the shadow, that's because you have a shadow behind. So I'm just using it with a simple light and an umbrella on the side, and it's not really a big powerful light, but I'm using it as a master light and really powerful. So for any person on low budget, I think it's a good light. And please subscribe on my channel and comment and like, and if you guys know better, you can share it on the post. So that's pretty much what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.